Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen. Today in this class we are going to celebrate the birth anniversary of our great freedom fighter, national hero, one of the finest character, strong personality, the most beautiful character of our country, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So all are ready?
Yes sir, we are ready.
Okay, and in this auspicious moment I would like to sincerely request Mr. Uday Devnath, rising star, one of the most finest and beautiful student of my coaching institute. Now, he is going to deliver a beautiful speech about our great national hero, immortal Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So Uday, please start your beautiful speech.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a beautiful speech about our great guider, writer, leader, scholar, philosopher, and our great freedom fighter, immortal Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. My dear, it's a great honor for me to stand in front of you. And it's a great pleasure to me to be part of this wonderful event, to be part of this beautiful program. At the very beginning of my speech, I would like to lot of thanks to my respected principal, honorable teachers, guardians, and my dear loving friends. A special thanks to my spoken English teacher, Mr. Shardul Hussain sir, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity and who encouraged me, inspired me to say something about our great national hero, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the greatest patriot and freedom fighter of our country, India. He was popularly known as Netaji because of his hard work, great leadership and intelligence. This great person was born on 23rd January in 1897 at Kottayam in Odisha. His father was Janakinath Bose, a renowned lawyer, and his mother was Prabhavati Devi. From childhood, Netaji was a brilliant student. He took admission in Presidency College in Calcutta, but he was expelled from that college. Later, he took admission in Scottish Church College and passed his BA in 1918 in philosophy. And he became an ICS, but he refused to serve under British rules. He joined in the national movement for freedom. A popular leader, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, was elected the mayor of Calcutta Corporation. He became the president of National Congress twice. He formed the Indian National Army, Azad Hind Fauj, to make India free from the British rules. Fighting against the British, Netaji came to Kohima and hoisted the Indian national flag. But he could not see India achieving freedom. It was reported in 1945. He was died by plane crash, but there is still controversy about the reason of his death. He will always live in our hearts. My dear honorable person, dignified teachers, parents, and my dear loving friends, I would like to finish my lecture with a great quote of our great leader. Once upon a time, he said, "If you give me blood, I will give you freedom." Once again, thank you so much everyone for listening me. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
What a magnificent, outstanding, marvelous, excellent speech. It was incredible. One of the most beautiful speech. I think he has already mentioned lot of information in his short speech. My dear well-wishers, these are the ones who are going to lead our country after next 20 or 25 years. এরাই আগামী দিনের ভবিষ্যৎ, যারা আজ থেকে 20 থেকে 25 বছর পর আমাদের দেশের নেতৃত্ব দিতে চলেছে। সুতরাং এই ক্লাসে আমরা ইংরেজি ভাষায় নিজেদেরকে পারদর্শী করে তোলার জন্য আমরা একটি প্রাণবন্ত অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করেছিলাম এবং এই শর্ট টাইমে পাবলিক স্পিকিং এ দক্ষ হওয়ার জন্য এবং মহান যুগপুরুষ মনির রশিদের জীবনী সম্পর্কে জানার জন্য আশা করি আমরা সেগুলি অত্যন্ত সুন্দরভাবে উপস্থাপন করতে পেরেছি আপনাদের সম্মুখে এবং আমরা আপনাদের পূর্ণ সাহায্য সহযোগিতার মধ্য দিয়ে জ্ঞানের আলোয় আলোকিত হতে পেরেছি। ধন্যবাদ আপনাদের সকলকে। আবারও অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা, অনেক অনেক মুগ্ধতা, স্নিগ্ধতা এবং অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ ও অশেষ কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন করে আজকের এই প্রাণবন্ত অনুষ্ঠান থেকে বিদায় নিচ্ছি। আমি এসেছি, আবারও অন্য কোনো দিন অন্য কোনো ভাবে দেখা হবে। ততক্ষণে খুব খুব ভালো থাকবেন। আর আপনিও চাইলে আপনার সন্তানকে এমন প্রাণবন্ত অনুষ্ঠানে যোগদান করাতে পারেন। আমরা আপনার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছি। ধন্যবাদ। প্লিজ